to Cuyahoga County when I started law school years ago, and when I moved here I didn't know anyone here, I didn't know anyone in the legal community, and since then this has become my home. People have been so inviting and they've made me a part of the community, and I'm very excited to have this opportunity to be able to serve the community that I've become a part of. Ever since I was a kid, I've always been really interested in rules and the rules of law, and my friends would come to me to arbitrate their disputes, and I had no idea that I was basically doing what a judge would be doing. And so as my life went on, it's not something I gave a whole lot of thought about because I was very quiet and introverted when I was in high school and college. When I went to law school, I was still very quiet, didn't know what I wanted to do. And as time went on, I became a litigator. I started to come out of my shell. I realized that I had these skills in looking at the law, applying the rules to the facts, and that I could use that skill to help the people in my community. I can think of two, I can't pick just one. The first one is the day that I was sworn in as a magistrate in the Garfield Heights Municipal Court. It was a very exciting day for me. My parents were there. They got to witness me starting to become someone who is an arbitrator of the law. And the second example is my very first oral argument at the Court of Appeals. It was here in the 8th District Court of Appeals in the beautiful courthouse. I was very nervous, but I prepared very, very well. I felt over-prepared, and it was just a wonderful, surreal experience the very first time, and I wish I could capture that in a bottle and feel it over and over again whenever I go, but I can't. So overall of my years as a litigator, I've been in many different courts. I've experienced different types of law, different types of arguments, different types of clients, and the two things that people complain about the most is that it takes too long to resolve a case and that the system isn't fair. So my two main goals are to make sure that cases are adjudicated as quickly as possible, to make sure there are rules that people follow, and to make sure the rules of evidence are followed and that people have an opportunity to speak.